of a cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. I just wanna look good for you, good for you. I just wanna look good for you, good for you. What do you mean? Your words got deeper than you're so indecisive. What I'm saying, all we need is trying to catch the beat, make up your heart.
We get it?
Got it.
Yes!
Yeah, 2016. Alright. Grips on your waist from way back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I'll never run away. Even when I'm away at work. Work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. Set me everywhere, work, 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 work. I took a pill in Ibiza. Show of Vichy, I was cool. And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older. But fuck it, it was something to do. It was something to do. Ooh, it's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. Cause I got me for life. I hate you, I love you. I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. Yours thinking I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. My youth is yours. Tripping on skies, sipping waterfalls. My youth is yours. Run away now and forevermore. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Players seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me. I didn't know that I was sorry until I tasted you. I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. I be one cleaner than your church shoes. I really point to just to hurt you. I already learned just to tease you, baby. Pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover. Then I know you get aboard. Like that tattoo in your shoulder. Get the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. Slow it down. That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, all her friends know me. Cause all my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go out. I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we're in our zone. Cause you needed me to treat you better. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Oh, cause you so precious when you smile.
Thank you.
And I'm so grateful for my ex.
Thank you.
Young blood, say you want me, out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. But you need it, yeah, you need it all the time. Freaky Friday. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want ya, and I need ya, and I'm down for you always. Tell me where your love lies. Waste the day and spend the night. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. To the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you. But if it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. She used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun knows. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Cause one kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me, possibility. That might be going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Romo for crowns and all the bozos. Let me tell a story before it tells itself. I'll lay out all my reasons. You say that I need help. Thinking you can live without me. Thinking you can live without me. Do you got plans tonight? I'm a couple 100 miles from Japan tonight. Ooh, I like it like that. I said I like it like that. I thought that I'd be happier. Just thought that I'd be happier. Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier, to be happier.
Guys, I think few more minutes and then we'll start. Till then, if you have any song suggestions, you can just drop in. I'll play that. Hello, hello, hello. Hi guys, can I see
Hello.
more beautiful faces? So cute. Guys, I'll want कि सारे लोग कैमरा ऑन कर लो. Guys, I'm waiting. I cannot wait to see your faces, guys. Hi, Sakshi.
See me? Hi.
Cutest. कैमरा.
एक चीज बताओ तुम्हें,
हाँ.
मैं लेके आई हूँ स्पेशली। है ना क्यूट?
So cute, bro. कैमरा इज नॉट गुड. अरे ब्रो, मेरा कौन सा कैमरा चलेगा चलेगा.
मेरा तो बिल्कुल ही बकवास है।
अभिलाष एंड साई. और कौन कौन है? आई एम ट्रैवलिंग. ओ ऑल राइट. उसके बाद भी ज्वाइन करा, थैंक यू लावन।
मैं तो पीसी से हूँ,
यार
वेबकैम नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा मेरा।
किसके कैमरा नहीं है?
मेरा मेरा
माना।
ये
अच्छा,
है।
कौन से ज्वाइन कर लो?
फिर ड्रॉ नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
अरे तो ड्रॉ तो उस पे शीट पे करते हैं ना।
नहीं, मैं डिजिटली करूंगा ना
अच्छा
पीसी
अच्छा
भी।
अच्छा, हाँ।
ये
हाय हाय, अभी आए। गिव मी फ्यू मिनट्स, हाँ हाँ, सारे मिनट्स ले लो। कैमरा।
यार मेरा माजा खत्म होने को है। अब बाद में सब जब आएंगे तो मैं खाली बैठ के देखूंगी।
नहीं नहीं, मजा खत्म नहीं होगा, अभी तो मजा स्टार्ट होगा। लाइक थोड़ा फन है, थोड़ा नहीं बहुत फन है एक्चुअली। ट्रैवलिंग, इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके। अच्छा, सारे ट्रैवल ही
हम
कर।
दोनों ही अपनी शक्ल दिखा रहे हैं।
ठीक है, मैं स्टार्ट कर दे रही हूँ। टिल देन पीपल विल जॉइन एंड देन वी कैन। हाय हरेंद्र। बेचारे कैमरा ऑन करा, मेरा मुंह चल रही बंद कर दिया। स्टार्ट करूँ मैं?
यप।
कितने ऑफिशियली करना।
कर दो।
मैं ओ सॉरी, ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, सॉरी गाइस, आई एम सो सॉरी।
ओह शिट, मैं तो भूल ही गई। अब
सॉरी।
से हरकतें नहीं करूंगी।
ध्यान ध्यान प्लीज, रीटेक रीटेक। ठीक है ठीक है। हाय 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 एवरीवन, वेलकम to our canvas and mocktail wala session with the design space. And before we start, I would want you all to drop in the chats. कितने excited हो तुम लोग? Honestly, कितने
मैं
excited?
तो बहुत हूँ क्योंकि मैंने महीनों से कुछ ड्रॉ नहीं किया है और आज मैं
This बंदी
आई
so।
ड्रॉ शिट।
तुम लोग बोलते रहो, मैं अनम्यूट करके बोलूंगी। That's so cute. बहुत बोर हो गया था। We drawing in the session. Yes, yes, we are. थेरेपी सेशन देने वाली हूँ मैं। थेरेपिस्ट बन रही हूँ।
वेरी एक्साइटेड।
And don't worry, guys, we also have a little surprise in the end. जिस
चॉकलेट्स
वो तो मैं
कैसे भी देगी?
जान, मुझे मारने वाला मीटिंग के बाद, लाइक फॉर्मली करना था। बट जोक्स अपार्ट, मेरी चॉकलेट्स भी मिलेंगे सबको, टास्क भी मिलेंगे, आपके आर्टवर्क्स फीचर भी होंगे ऑन द अंडर 25 ऐप भी, एंड ऑल्सो कुछ और भी है दैट आई माइट नॉट डिस्क्लोज राइट नाउ। वेरी एक्साइटेड, मैं भी बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ वो टास्क देख के। सो बिफोर लाइक, हाँ हो गया, सबका एक्साइटमेंट दिख गया, तुम लोग इतने ज्यादा एक्साइटेड नहीं हो, तुम लोग ज्यादा, मैं ही एक्साइटेड हूँ। बट नाउ दैट वी आर स्टार्टिंग, आई वुड वांट जान टू शेयर द पीपीटी सो दैट मैं उस पहले इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन कर दूँ अबाउट द डिजाइन स्पेस, व्हाट एक्चुअली इज डिजाइन स्पेस एंड हाउ आर वी वर्किंग, क्या क्या हम लोग ने करा है, व्हाट यू ऑल कैन एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अस. And to all the people who have joined, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for giving in your time to us. And yeah, surprise milega. So here's our first ever ऐसा fun official session, that is the canvas and the mocktails, जो हमने पता नहीं जान ने रखा है नाम, which is very very fun and very cute at the same time, क्योंकि we'll also draw and we'll also have like अपना shakes and all सब कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So can we move to the next slide? Jan slept? No, he's awake, sorry. So what is actually design space? So as we all know, this is our art community for all of us. जैसे साक्षी ने बोला बेसिकली कि मैं आर्टिस्ट नहीं हूँ या फिर मैं कुछ ड्रॉ नहीं करती हूँ. सो बेसिकली डिजाइन स्पेस इज दैट वन होलसम कम्युनिटी जहाँ पे वी प्रोवाइड पीपल, प्रोवाइड इन द सेंस मेंटली इमोशनली फिजिकली सब कुछ, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग द हेल्प द सपोर्ट to let you all know that each one of us is an artist and we need to accept that fact. No matter what you draw, no matter what you do, you are an artist. So this is what the design space is all about. We of course foster an environment for purpose, growth and learnings all together. Next slide. Now what can you expect what we have done in past, what we'll do in future, and abhi what is our expects and everything. So we are there officially on the under 25 as an art community, that is the design space, and we have a space where we have more than 10,000 students enrolled in that space. And we have also given out more than 20,000 rupees to each student, not each student particularly, but more than 20,000 rupees were given by us because of your artworks or because of your art, your exhibitions, your best paintings, and everything like that. We have done 5 live events, जिसमें से which मेरा favorite was the Bangalore one, जिसमें our design space के members went to an नहीं, not orphanage, I guess it was a school, government school, where they went and they painted it. And I swear to God, that was something so wholesome that you can expect from this community. Not only painting, but can you imagine going to that one place where you'll feel the most like, calm, एकदम प्यारा प्यारा, and you'll get that vibe कि bro मैं art भी कर रही हूँ and I'm being like I'm genuinely doing it from my heart. So we have done that also. And we are across like India में अभी तो 20+ cities में we are there and we are working all together. All on basically whole concept is abhi right now we are doing it officially from the under 25 app, and we are providing each one of the students who are the best in art to like sponsorships mil sakte hain. You'll get of course rewards, you'll be featured on the app, you'll be featured on the space as well, and you never know next kya ho sakta hai. So yeah, can we move to the next slide? मैं सारे गाने पे यही बना दूंगी. Now, meet the team. Meet John Patel, the owner, the founder of the design space, the person who has like who works really hard no matter what time it is, no matter what situation it is. You just text him कि bro मेरी फट रही है, I don't think मैं कर पाऊंगी. He's like, I'm there, I'll provide you all the things, you do it. So this one man who's always available for everyone, team, community, people, everyone. Then we have me, co-founder, पता नहीं how, but yeah, I'm the co-founder. And कुछ नहीं, मैं बस ऐसे इवेंट में आती हूँ, बोल के चली जाती हूँ and I enjoy that. And also somewhere I help Jan थोड़ा बहुत if I can. Then we have Praveen, our new members of our team जो अभी अभी select हुआ है. I would want you all to drop in the chats एकदम full excitement and show them love जितना कर सकते हो. That is Praveen, Abhi. I'm sorry, Abhilash, I am calling you Abhi. And there's Harry who cannot make it today because he's busy with 125 shoots. And we have Sai. These 4 people, it's been a week, I guess, and I'm telling you guys, I'm legit telling you guys, no matter what time we are asking them कि ये करना है, every morning Jahan is just putting up there straight in the group. I like not कि I want, he's like these are the outlooks we are looking for. Sham tak these people are like so crazy. They're like, I don't know how are they managing everything, and they're like putting up कि जहान भाई ये ठीक है, जहान भाई ये ठीक है, और मैं बस चैट देखते रहती हूँ भाई ये लोग करते कैसे हैं, ये काम ये कर कैसे रहे हैं. Hats off to you guys, Praveen, Abhi, Harry and Sai. So proud of you all, and I'm really grateful कि चलो तुम लोग ने ज्वाइन करा टीम, and we are looking forward to it. Let's see कहाँ तक you'll end up, no matter तुम लोग rock stars हो. How can we join the team, Jahan? Take this up. We have a question. Next slide. Also guys, for joining the team मैं थोड़ा overview ये बता सकती हूँ कि to join the team जान ने upload करा था, but you guys didn't focus there, so you missed it out this time. But जिन्होंने करा like Harry, Abhi, Sai, Praveen, lucky ones, they got selected. And we do not select. So I want to clear this out कि हम लोग यहाँ पे कोई भी ऐसा partiality नहीं करते or something like that. It is all dependent on the third party. So yeah, and rest Jan will take that up a group and let you know or here as well. Now what do we do? We do a lot of volunteering that I told you that अभी Bangalore में भी हुआ. We also, support social causes and we like conduct speaker sessions with industry leaders that उसका भी आपको दिखा देंगे कि अभी this is all like the first session we wanted to keep it just basic सा to let you all know informally रख के कि what actually is the design space and कैसे we work, how are we planning कि आगे क्या क्या होगा. So, this session, I would want everyone to be so chilled, so relaxed. If you have any questions, queries, or anything, any doubt, you can drop it out anytime. Now, और हम लोग क्या करते हैं that is we provide free artwork promotions as you all have seen. I think तुम लोग में से बहुत लोग feature भी हुए हो. So we, promote each other like the students, the best student. It is not like that कि this time if you are not getting feature तो खत्म हो गया. We do it like हर वीक या फिर एवरी मंथ वी फीचर द बेस्ट आर्टवर्क्स सो डोंट वेरी करते रहो यू विल गेट फीचर वी ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड पेड अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट आई टोल्ड यू ऑल we are someone who like provide you all guys like एकदम जितने opportunities आते हैं हमारे पास related to artwork we just put it out there on the space and all you have to do is go grab it out whatever announcements, whatever news, or whatever information that we are sharing, we would want you all to focus there. We would want you all to be little, attentive so that you can just go and get that done. And we also, last but not the least, we provide a free web-based sketching platform, making it free and accessible for all. So I personally am not into this, so I don't know about it much. But as much as I know, I can tell you all that Jan, he provides all the resources, and we have a team now. Now we'll be providing you all PDFs and everything. We'll be providing you all the app versions and everything that you need. Yes, guys, देखो, I'm also a human. I'm not into digital thing, but I can cope up with it. I can tell you all. I can I can ask John to give you that access. All right. And feel free to reach out to any one of us, no matter who that guy or girl is. तुम लोग साक्षी के पास भी जा सकते हो, you can come to me as well. But हमारे पास आओगे तो that is like straight up. If you go to Sakshi's, maybe हो सकता है she'll also come to us. So it's fine. So yeah, we are someone who will be, your whole soul for your art thing and wholesomeness ka part. Now next slide, Jan. This is something I was talking about. Paint a school in Bangalore that our champs did. I guess this year only, around May, I guess. मेरे को याद नहीं है exactly, but May के around, I believe, they went. That's our team. And I'm really, really so proud and grateful that we get this opportunities. मेरे को नहीं मिलता बट जितने लोग हो तुम लोग यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड जस्ट किल इट ब्रो दिल्ली मुंबई पुणे वेरेवर यू आर जिसको भी है तुम लोग के पास बहुत सारा वो है जस्ट गो ग्रैब इट हम लोग जितने भी डालते हैं जस्ट बी वेरी श्योर कि यू जस्ट just be that you have that what do you call that भूख कि नहीं ब्रो डिजाइन स्पेस ने कुछ अपलोड करा है दैट तो समथिंग क्रेजी ओनली दे अपलोड so just be that attentive कि you have to grab it out. Now we have our next slide. Yeah, so we had our academy session with Santanu sir where I was even featured. My artwork was also featured. That was my first time like लाइफ में पहली बार मेरा आर्ट वर्क कहीं फीचर हुआ था एंड कहीं इज ब्रो अंडर 25 एंड द डिजाइन स्पेस में फीचर होना इज समथिंग वेरी ह्यूज सो या you can also get featured you will also have academy sessions with like a lot of artists future upcoming mein so you can just keep creating whatever you're doing keep sketching your heart out and you'll get featured there as well. You'll also get, artists speaking to you one by one vocally and, talking about their experiences and everything like that. We need one of these session with Santanu. We would want to, we would love to. Next session, next slide, I'm so sorry. This was the art of freelancing as an artist. This was again one session done by the Design Space team. and we'll also have formal sessions also, informal sessions भी होंगे. We can also have night sessions जिसमें that is crazy fun sessions होते हैं जो randomly we put link and we are like bro join in. So there are times जब we are very formal and there are times when we are very informal. I just want you to directly tell you all that if you are working formally, I would want you all to work formally as well. If you are working informally, I would want you all to work informally. Because if you're not support, we cannot grow together. And until and unless you are supporting, we are at the top. So yeah. Now the next slide. This is the recent art therapy session that was done by me. I was the guest speaker in the Girl Up. I guess we have Shubham as well here. Do we have Shubham here? Shubham, if you're here, can you please unmute and share your experience? How was it with the design space? It was very, very random. I don't know if he's here or not, but if it's not here, yeah, Shubham, you're here. Can you? Uh, you cannot unmute. Can you now? I did give you the access. जान एक बार चेक कर लेना उसको. मिल गया शुभम. अच्छा, you're not able to speak, bro. I thought you didn't get the access, bro. Crazy only. All right. मैं तारीफ कर देती हूँ डिजाइन स्पेस के. रहना. Very good at it. So yeah, it was. But I'm telling you guys, it was very cute. Yeah. So we had this one collaboration with Girl Love, like not very planned or something like that. It was very, very random, but it turned out to be the most, you know, uh, wholesome wala session I have ever had in my life. That was something that I was there as a guest, okay, and I'm just telling you my experience. I was there as a guest, I was there speaking about therapies, art, and everything like that. And then we had this one game or activity you do. We'll also do it right now. And that was something that, calmed me so badly because I'm like, all of us are dealing with something or anything. All of us are dealing with something. But then this again, design space gave me that, the idea, ki bro, no, you cannot be like that. Art is something you'll feel that relax when when you are into art. So design space, Jan Patel, thank you. And thank you to everyone for believing एक दूसरे में. So yeah, it was this one therapy session जो मेरे बहुत close है. Very, very close to my heart. And I had like few people there जिन्होंने meeting के बाद legit मेरे को text करा कि honey, I know I'm texting you very randomly, but the session was very calm, very nice, felt very emotional. So, when you can relate to the person, no? When you're supporting someone emotionally, that is something top notch. And especially when you know that in this world you cannot trust on someone, or you have to deal it all alone. But then you're providing that one session, you're providing that one time for everyone there out who's struggling. So that is something very nice. So yeah, this was all. And नेक्स्ट सेशन क्या है, स्लाइड बस खत्म हो गया. फिर यही था आर्ट थेरेपी बाय हनी जो मैं अभी करवाऊंगी आप लोग को. ये ड्रम रो. मैं कितनी एक्साइटेड हूँ ब्रो. सो या, दिस वाज इट. ये तो सारा डिजाइन स्पेस के बारे में था एंड एवरीथिंग. हाय लावण्या. This was all it about the design space and just मतलब guys, I'm telling you again, ये बहुत formal meeting नहीं थी. We had to just do it informally and fun session रखना था. We wanted to interact with you all. And जो सरप्राइज मैं बोल रही हूँ उसके लिए और भी लोग आएंगे. डोंट वरी. हम लोग साथ में मजे करेंगे. Till then, can we move to the art therapy part now? The real part, the main.
Yes, yes, yes. अब तो करना पड़ेगा।
कैन आई हियर मोर? यस, बहुत सोए सोए से लग रहे हो, सब हंस रहे हो। मेरे को अभी भी यस कहीं चैट पे भी नहीं दे। अभी यू कैन अनम्यूट, यू डोंट हैव द एक्सेस। बेचारा अभिलाष इज सो कंफ्यूज। अभिलाष, आई एम कॉलिंग यू। He went blank.
No, no, no. I have this setup going on right now. Like my webcam of my laptop is not good. I'm using my mobile's webcam and stuff. Something is happening.
And you went so blank. I was like, sorry, did I say something wrong?
No, 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 no.
Yeah. So, guys, we are moving to the art therapy part, which is most favorite one. मेरा शुभम का तो स्पेशली हम दोनों बहुत बहुत ही ज्यादा वो हो रखे हैं. All you have to do is पेपर ले आओ, sheet of a paper या फिर copy, bring your pen, colors, whatever you want to, and then I'll be providing you prompts. Like मैं आपको बताऊंगी that you have to draw this, and I'll give you 5 minute time. All you have to do is draw that, but with a twist. When you draw it, उसके बाद I'll ask you to unmute yourself and explain that. I'll ask you to tell me that why did you draw that, no matter what you're drawing. And I would request everyone, please be respectful. If someone is sharing any of her or his story, let's be respectful. Because again, guys, when I'm talking about art therapy, that means therapy is something we all need in our life. And each one of us are dealing with something. So there will be prompts though, जिसमें you might get emotional, because last time that happened. So don't feel like you'll be judged here. And if you feel like कि judge हो जाऊंगी मैं या हो जाऊंगा, it's okay. You can directly DM me or जान तुम्हारे artwork and you can put it out there कि bro मैंने उस time इसलिए ये draw किया था, ठीक है? So that works. एंड बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं मजे मस्ती वाले जिनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कितना भी इमोशनली बता दो कि ये वो मजे ही ढूंढते हैं. सो दैट ऑल्सो वर्क्स, ठीक है? सो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद द फर्स्ट थिंग, दैट इज द वेरी 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 इजी वन. ड्रॉ एनीथिंग, लाइक एनी शेप, एनी फ्लावर, एनीथिंग, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ. डू यू वॉन्ट मी टू प्ले सम म्यूजिक पीछे से बैकग्राउंड में? मेरे तो शैल आई प्ले? बजा दूं? अच्छा ठीक है, बजा रही हूँ. आई एम वेरी वेरी बैड एट इट, बट ठीक है. विच सॉन्ग गाइस बता दो. आई प्ले अनुज एंड ओनली डायरेक्टली. Yes, yes. Oh, hi, Srinidhi, you're here. Guys, please, I'm giving you time, 5 minutes. Draw anything. It can be anything. Anything.
I see an empty table, no feast to share. Dreams feel distant, hope feels rare. But in the silence, I hear a voice. Trust in me and make me your choice. The lilies bloom without a coin. The sparrows sing with joy unjoined. If he feeds the birds, he'll feed me too. Jehovah's love will see me through. Jehovah will provide, His grace is sure.
Draw anything,
He opens doors no man can close.
any flower, any
Through
shape,
every
anything.
trial my heart will sing. Jehovah will provide for everything. The rent is due, the cupboards are bare, but I find my peace in God's great care. He's never early, He's never late. In His perfect time, he'll change my fate. He counts the stars, he knows my need. He turns my mustard seed to a mighty tree. When doubts arise, I'll cling to his word. His promises stand, my prayers are heard. Jehovah will provide, his grace is sure. He opens doors no man can close. Through every trial my heart will sing. Jehovah will provide for everything. Oh, when I feel I've lost my way, I'll kneel and lift my hands to pray. His light will shine, my path made clear. Jehovah's hand will draw me near. Jehovah will provide, his word is true. He lifts the weary, he'll carry you. Through barren fields, new life will spring. Jehovah will provide for everything. Jehovah, my shepherd, my daily bread. In you my soul is always fed. Through every season I'll testify, forever faithful. Jehovah will provide. I see an empty table, no feast to share. Dreams feel distant,
Are we done?
hope feels rare.
Are you sorry?
But in the
So
silence,
dedicated, very cute.
I hear a voice. Trust in me and make me your choice. The lilies bloom without a coin. The sparrows sing with joy unjoined. If he feeds the birds, he'll feed me too. Jehovah's love will see me through. Jehovah will provide, his grace is sure. He opens doors no man can close. Through every trial my heart will sing. Jehovah will provide for everything. The rent is due, the cupboards are bare, but I find my peace in God's great care. He's never early, he's never late. In his perfect time, he'll change my fate. He counts the stars, he knows my need. He turns my mustard seed to a mighty
हेलो हेलो हेलो, आर वी डन?
हेलो।
किसने बोला?
मैंने
अच्छा। सॉरी। ऐसा अजीब सुनाई नहीं दिया मुझे, अचानक से आई आवाज। हाँ, आर वी डन? नो, हो गया ना?
या आई एम डन।
तो ऐसा शो कर दो।
यस विथ वेट अ सेकंड। इज माय स्क्रीन विजिबल?
ये सो क्यूट।
यस यस यस। हाँ, तो दिस इज माय ओसी। लेट मी राइट हिज नेम। या
Bro, so cute. What is this like? Story, any cute moment you had or something else?
इट्स लाइक अ एलियन क्रीचर, जो हम यूजुअली एलियन क्रीचर्स को ऐसा मीन मानते हैं। तो आई मेड अ एलियन क्रीचर काइंड ऑफ लाइक स्टिच इज देयर, अ क्यूट एलियन क्रीचर। तो ऐसे ही मेरे को बनाना था। आई नीडेड वन कैरेक्टर फॉर माय होल प्रोफाइल। तब मैंने फिर ये डिज़ाइन किया था।
So your real name is like, are you Mayank?
यस यस यस।
Oh, hi.
हाँ।
Bro, so cute, but very cute.
थैंक्स थैंक्स।
I have this sticker. You have a sticker, ऐसा?
हाँ, वो है, एनिमेशन बनाया था मैंने।
Mm-hmm.
आई हैव अ स्टिकर।
Very nice. You share it there also, bro. We'll also save. Did you share?
वेट वेट, आई डोंट हैव इट मेड इन स्टिकर आई थिंक।
अच्छा।
वेट आई हैव।
साक्षी बोल ले अनम्यूट करके, तो कुछ तुझे कुछ बोलना है। आवाज नहीं आ रही। क्या कर रही है साक्षी? आर यू ओके? ब्रो, you're not audible. Is she audible?
नो।
मैं अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ।
Oh yeah, I shared the sticker. Jian has my stickers.
See, I told you. So cute, but anyone else who did like any? भाई क्यों? क्या हो गया? अरे अरे, साक्षी, it's okay. You were not audible actually, इसलिए मैंने बोला. But can you hear? कोई और कोई सुन सकता था साक्षी को? नहीं ना?
ना।
देखो, no one can listen. मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ. Till then, like you fix your this, no? मैं खुद को सुन सकती हूँ.
वो म्यूटेड है।
भाई एग्जैक्टली exactly.
हम्म।
तू म्यूट होके बोल रही है. अरे अभी देखो. अच्छा ठीक है,
आप
बोलो.
अनम्यूट।
बोलो अब. Bro, ये अलग क्रिएचर है. यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल. अब शेयर कर. हाँ तो दिख रही है. यू आर विजिबल बट यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल. गो ज्वाइन फ्रॉम योर मॉम्स फोन ब्रो. टिल देन, एनीवन एल्स?
रीजॉइन कर ले।
किसी और ने बनाया? मी. साक्षी में क्या? अच्छा ठीक है, तू ऐसा बोल मत, बट यू कैन लाइक दिखा दो. शो शो, ऐसे कैमरा ऑन करके दिखा दे क्या बनाया. नहीं, पागल लगूंगी. आई शेयर पिक्चर. यार अनफेयर हो रहा है जान उसके साथ, वो बवाल मचा देगी ग्रुप में। एनीवन एल्स? साई, अभिलाष, श्रीनिधि, शुभम, तुषार, शिवम, विक्की, किसी ने कुछ बनाया? देखो मैं, अभिलाष इज अगेन ब्लैंक ब्रो, ये क्या? Where's the
I'm waiting for somebody else to do it.
अरे they're not speaking, only you only go, no?
No, it's not that special.
अरे no, I mean कि no one is speaking, you can unmute and you can tell, no, कि yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Like I was waiting for somebody like who was gonna show it and stuff. That's right.
Alright, I don't think कोई और बोल रहा है, you can go now. मतलब you can go next, अभी बोल लो.
Yeah, yeah. Like everybody has to show.
Yeah, of course. You'll not show what you do. अरे bro, why are you here then? I mean, you're drawing
Uh,
something.
I did this. I did this. That's it.
This, hey, blur वाला वो हटा के दिखाना. That's something
One
Thunderbolts.
second. Yeah, yeah. It's that only.
Thunderbolts. Why that? What is this? Like,
I don't know. I just
best
like the shape
crew.
of the thunder. That's why.
Bro, funny crew you got this. Oh, he's there. He was there in the crew. Oh, what? Oh, nice. Sorry, bro. Yeah, yeah, you can.
Yeah, that's it.
हाँ, why did you? हाँ, what did you say? Thunderbolts
What
क्योंकि you
was?
were there in the crew, hustler इसलिए.
No, no, no. I just like the shape of the lightning thing. That's why I drew it.
अच्छा.
And
See, Jan,
you
you were
gave a
like thinking
lot of
something else only.
space to draw. That's why.
See, something else only this
Without
founder is thinking. Just because it's our logo. Eh, Tushar, did you send? It was so cute. Just because it's so cute, so cute. And yours was so nice. Thunderbolts, nice. साक्षी भेज दे या फिर दिखा दे कैमरा ऑन करके. This is turning into the funny session only. What is therapy session in design space? भेज. Cute. Jan, did you draw something? See, founder, guys, founder of design space. See, guys, inspiration. But Zoom did bad to me. यार, we are so sorry, यार. मैं क्या करूँ? Where you're sharing right now? I तो पता नहीं दिख भी रही नहीं. I just drew this bow out of nowhere. I wanted to draw this like my dog, my pet had this one bow वाला, क्या बोलते हैं उसको यहाँ पे, जो भी बोलते
बो
हैं.
टाई.
She had that. So out of nowhere आज रील्स पे भी यही दिख रहे थे तो इसलिए. What do you want? Sakshi, you share your that artwork. It's not perfect. I did it roughly. Bro, array, bro, why do you have to be that one perfect guy or girl? It's okay, whatever you're drawing. Bro, मैंने क्या बनाया? Did I say कि मैं perfect नहीं बनाई हूँ? It's okay. We're here to just learn, enjoy, have fun.
what is happening here? Like, do we have to draw properly or something?
Yeah, of course.
You
Excuse me,
asked
when
me
I
to
was
draw a shape.
speaking,
I
So
drew
no,
a
no, when I
lightning
was
thing.
speaking, where were you? Were you
No, no.
into design space so much?
Like, you didn't give me a topic or something. You were like, whatever you want, you can draw. That's why I drew a lightning.
So this is this one ice, like ice breaking wala thing that I did. Ab now I'll ask you to
Ah,
draw something that you're feeling right now. So you'll not draw. Yeah, actually.
okay.
That is why it is an art therapy session, bro. What did he do? बैडमिंटन एंड गाय नो जियान ब्लर को थोड़ा हटा के कैन यू शो दैट्स बैडमिंटन एंड गाय probably you playing badminton. You could have drawn that kid, the cute kid. What is this, Sakshi? Lotus and I'll draw stickers. Today morning saw Pichwai painting. Oh, cute, cute, cute. सारे क्यूट. श्रीनिधि, साई और कौन है? सबको पकड़ पकड़ के बनाऊंगी मैं. रुक जाओ. शुभम, शिवम, विक्की. वेयर आर यू गाइस? ज्वाइन करके सो गए आप लोग? अभी देखना जब you'll have that surprise thing ना, everyone will be so excited और अभी they're like me is traveling. Oh, you तो model no. Cute model. All right, guys. Moving on to the second prompt. That is that I told Abhi just draw something that you are feeling right now. Draw your emotions. It can be anything. Do you want any example or reference?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so for example, for me, if I have to draw something, that will be my one friend, like reference to what Jan drew, badminton. We used to play since childhood. I lost him last Sunday, so I'll draw that because this is this 1 week today, and of course, a lot of emotions and everything like that. So I'll draw that. For me, that is my emotion. That is something I'm feeling right now that I've lost a friend of mine. So you can draw anything related to that. You can draw one school memory. You can draw you being Hustler Collective wala part. Anything. It can be anything. So yeah.
Through every season, I'll testify forever faithful. I see an empty table, no feast to share. Dreams feel distant, hope feels rare. But in the silence, I hear a voice. Trust in me and make me your choice. The lilies bloom without a coin. The sparrows sing with joy unjoined. If he feeds the birds, he'll feed me too. Jehovah's love will see me through. Jehovah will provide. His grace is sure. He opens doors no man can close. Through every trial, my heart will sing. Jehovah will provide for everything. The rent is due, the cupboards are bare, but I find my peace in God's great care. He's never early, He's never late. In His perfect time, He'll change my fate. He counts the stars, He knows my need. He turns my mustard seed to a mighty tree. When doubts arise, I'll cling to His word. His promises stand, my prayers are heard. Jehovah will provide, His grace is sure. He opens doors no man can close. Through every trial, my heart will sing. Jehovah will provide for everything. Oh, when I feel I've lost my way, I'll kneel and lift my hands to pray. His light will shine, my path made clear. Jehovah's hand will draw me near. Jehovah will provide, His word is true. He lifts the weary, He'll carry you. Through barren fields, new life will spring. Jehovah will provide for everything. Jehovah my shepherd, my daily bread. In you my soul is always fed. Through every season I'll testify, forever faithful. Jehovah will provide. I see an empty table, no feast to share. Dreams feel distant, hope feels rare. But in the silence, I hear a voice. Trust in me and make me your choice. The lilies bloom without a coin. The sparrows sing with joy unjoined. If He feeds the birds, He'll feed me too. Jehovah's love will see me through. Jehovah will provide.
Are we done? So dedicated. Guys, are we done? Just 2 minutes. All right, all right. Guys, are we done? Yeah, I can see Sakshi, Tushar, Abhi, everyone. See. Uh, Art is love. That's so cute, Tushar. So you're feeling this right now, like इसके पीछे मतलब जब what are you feeling right now का था तो basically you're feeling कि what you are doing right now is something you are loving, right? Sakshi, what did you Sakshi guys? So I made these calls recently. I moved to another city for further studies and being at home literally felt no less as being in a jail would be. So now I'm a butterfly. Hey, bro, cute. Like everyone has their own perspective, but for me, being at my home is the only, peaceful life I can ever ask. तो यही है मेरे लिए तो. Shubham ka is uh just you this feeling exactly the opposite to this cause exams are gonna begin from 10th. I have my exam tomorrow, first end semester tomorrow, guys. Just think of my emotions. I haven't studied anything, but I'm here. I'm like, पढ़ाई होती रहेगी सेशन नहीं छूटना. तो basically this is you want to go to like to mountain की जगह पे and have एकदम relax वाला life, right? Anyone else? Abhilash, did you draw something? Mayank, did you draw something?
Yeah, I
I
drew.
sent it in the chat.
All the best. Thank
Let me
you.
share. Let's see.
So Abhi,
I either drew myself just sitting, having
oh,
my snacks by my side.
bro, so cool. So you're basically sitting in front of this. Whatever you're doing right now, you drew, right?
Yes.
So damn. सिखा दो भाई आर्ट सिखा दो प्लीज.
सीखना क्या है इसमें?
ये सारे आर्टिस्ट ये बोलते कोई नहीं. अभिलाष ने क्या बनाया? यूट्यूब. यूट्यूब है ना वो लैपटॉप में.
Like it's YouTube, studying stuff, sticky notes all over the wall and stuff.
What are you studying? Engineering?
See it?
Damn. Bro, Marwadi by any chance?
No, no. I'm surrounded by all of them actually, but yeah.
I thought you're Marwadi by any chance. Cute, bro. Nice. Struggle. I can relate. Jan Patel, he'll be like, I didn't draw anything. Founder is very relaxed. तुम लोग करो थेरेपी मैं तो बढ़िया हूँ. So as I told, I drew ऐसा. This is me and this was my friend and I have written here one last time. So yeah, I don't need to explain this since the person is not only here. So yeah. Let's not go anywhere else. A blast prompt and इसके बाद we have a surprise and a task and then pack. ठीक है? So the last prompt is draw a peaceful scene. It can be again anything. For me, it can be, meeting my under 25 people. That is something I'm very, like, very, very, very into. For you, it can be becoming a CA. For someone else, can be getting their dream job. So yeah, बताओ बताओ. ब्रो आई थिंक वी कैन नॉट सी, है ना? या थोड़ा 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 क्लोज, थोड़ा क्लोज. Is it something? Have you? Sorry. Is it what you love? Bro, मैं अंधी तो नहीं हूँ. What you love. हाँ, it is what you love, no? It is written what you love. Cannot unmute क्या? Uh, you can unmute and speak, Mr. Shreen. अच्छा, do what you love. Sorry. It's similar only. I'm so sorry. It's so pretty. Did you draw right now? Oh, damn. Yeah, yeah. You can also click the picture and send it so that if like we can, feature it. So, anything you want to share about it? Where do I send? You're there in the group, right? The WhatsApp community. My mic quality is bad. It's okay, it's okay. I didn't get the WhatsApp link. Uh, Jan, yeah. We'll send you right now. You can join and then you can share your best artworks and everything there. All right. Like anything you draw, anything. You can just go and simply send it there. You'll get reviews, you'll get featured, you'll be getting promotions and everything like that. All right, thank you. Yeah. Guys, are we done? Guys, we have a guest here. If we are done. Sakshi, Shubham, Shivam, Vicky, Mayank. Where did Sai, Abhilash, तुषार? गाइस मैं एक एक करके सबका नाम लूं.
Wait, wait, wait.
साक्षी डाइड. साक्षी में मिस यू साक्षी. नो यार, आई कैन नॉट इमेजिन नाउ. नो साक्षी, प्लीज प्लीज डोंट.
No, Zoom actually did her dirty. उसी ने मेरे को बोला था कि चा 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 ज्वाइन करना, ज्वाइन करना.
बेचारे. Zoom did me bad. Bro, इसके बाद मीटिंग बाद just go to जिहान पटेल इनबॉक्स, 400 गालियां फेंक के मार. Be like, your Zoom didn't do justice, huh? Not available for Zoom complaints. We are not asking. We are not asking. We'll come to you. Don't worry. गाइस इफ वी आर डन प्लीज जल्दी जल्दी कर दो। अब मुझे बातें करनी है तुम लोगों के साथ, तो बहुत फॉर्मली फॉर्मली खेल दिया मैंने। जो कि मैं बिल्कुल ही फॉर्मल नहीं हूँ। जान दिस रिकॉर्डिंग विल। हाँ। आर यू आर यू ओके ब्रो? नो। Team, if you're watching this, I love you. I absolutely love you. I'm just like this. Please, मेरे को नहीं निकालना। Full watch, Rishil. Bro, tell me now. Don't scare the shit out of me, yeah? Guys, quick, quick, quick. We have a special guest here who's very, very, very sweet. Jan, please check the inbox. Matlab, not inbox, the chat box. I'll not say anything now. Otherwise, I'll be screwed.
Yep, I'm done.
Mayank, can you like share your screen and show it's not, you know?
It's not visible.
No.
अब
नहीं तो है कहाँ, मेरे को तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है।
अरे
स्क्रीन नहीं शेयर है तेरी? अच्छा हाँ हाँ है।
हाँ, वीडियो शेयर है ना, वीडियो के थ्रू
अरे
स्क्रीन।
मतलब वही।
हाँ, मैं
हाँ
तो
दिख
अपना
रहा।
होम टाउन बनाया है जब मैं जाता हूँ पहाड़।
कहाँ पे?
नैनीताल।
डैम ब्रो, तुम लोग की
दैट लुक्स
होम टाउन भी इतनी
दैट
अच्छी अच्छी जगह है यार। मैं ही पता नहीं कहाँ पैदा हो गई हूँ। सो लाइक पीसफुल तेरे लिए वही है।
यप, वहाँ पे बैठ जाओ बस।
साक्षी ने ड्रॉ करा कृष्ण जी। यू सेड पीसफुल, आई हर्ड कृष्ण। My whole heart and soul and every freaking thing. So cute. Anyone else? किसी और ने बनाया कुछ? Reference in Romani. Hey, where are you right now, Sakshi? Where are you studying? Rajasthan only, no? I'm in Romani. Yes. Rajasthan where? अभी घर हूँ। Guys, anyone else? Come to Bhopal. सबको खाली भोपाल ही बुला तू। Anyone else? Abhilash, Tushar, did you guys do something? कुछ बनाया? No, come to Raj. Hey, which college? I'm asking. Mewar University. Manipal. Where? Which college? Tell me. Na, Rajasthan University. Oh. Guys, किसी ने बनाया कुछ? If नहीं तो फिर मैं आगे बढ़ूं.
I didn't do anything.
Very nice. Very nice. So proud. Inspired from our founder, Jahan Patel.
Yeah, directly.
Next time, no, I'll kick you guys only out. You guys wait. It's okay, it's okay. So now we are moving to the very, very, very fun part of our session. And we have our special guest. तुषार ने भी भेजी है। जब मैं बोलना चालू करती हूँ तभी भेजो। इतनी देर मैं बोल रही हूँ भेजो तो नहीं भेजना। तुषार, टेल मी द स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट। by what is that? Music and तू बैठा है. Basically, I can, assume this only. So yeah, what I was saying is now we have a very special guest with us, that is Janvi. And she's a 24-year-old, songwriter and a guitarist. And she has been like mentioned, she has got mentioned with a lot of celebrities. And I'm a huge fan of hers. She was my, partner in ROL as well. And I've heard her singing like बहुत बार, and she's so peaceful. उसकी आवाज इतनी प्यारी है, इतनी प्यारी है. And मैं बोलने से ज्यादा I would prefer Janvi to, tell how is she feeling, what is under 25 for her, how is her life going on, and about her career. Janvi, over to you.
Thank you so much, Honey. Yeah, hi guys. कैसे हो सारे? Thank you so much, Under 25 and Jehan, and to the entire design space for organizing this and asking me to perform. It's always fun to perform for you guys. And आज I've planned something to sing for you all. And let's see how it goes. उसके बाद और बातें करेंगे. पहले गाना हो जाए, उसके बाद बातें. Okay. Am I audible? Is my guitar audible? Okay, done.
Guitar एक बार बजाना. I think it's not audible.
हाँ.
नहीं. हाँ, now. Perfect.
इश्क की बाजियां ये सारी है खेली मैंने, दिल दे के भी ये रातें काटी अकेली मैंने. एक भाई मुझको ले जा सजाना तू, वरना सुलझाई एक से पहेली मैंने. जाना समझो ना, डरते हैं देखे दूर से तुझको जी, डरते हैं जाना समझो ना. तेरे प्यार करते हैं तुमसे जीते मरते इश्क में तेरे. ओ मेरे साजना वे डोला मेरे, आंखों में देखो मेरे दिल की खबर. ओ मेरे साजना वे डोला मेरे, बाहों में भर लो कहीं ना जाने. So that was Samjhona, and after this, some Ed Sheeran vibes for you all. Love isn't the best place to fall, so the bar is where I go. With my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast and a read off slow. You come over and start the conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, but when I'm in the jukebox, and then we start to dance, and I'll sing like, oh, you know, I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on, follow my lead. Come on, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you, pushing through like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and all the bed sheets smell like you. We're here discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. We're discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. That was it.
Bro, you're continuing, no?
Yeah. Oh my God. This one of my friend. She's sending back to back pictures. I'm getting the notification. उसके वजह से शायद I don't know if you guys
No,
heard the
it's all
notification
good.
thing.
बहुत perfect जा रहा था. We were so into you. कुछ I don't think कि कुछ ऐसा breakage आया है.
No, no, it's okay. मतलब इतना ही था. उसके बाद I just want to know कि अगर if you guys have any requests, तो फिर I would love to sing that also.
I would want. I'll have one request. I have one request. A Taylor Swift song. Oh God, what is Taylor Swift song, bro? Why are you so obsessed with Taylor? I mean, ठीक है.
Okay, okay, but yeah, Taylor Swift song. Okay. Love story. Okay. We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and my flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony somewhere. See the lights, see the body, the cover. See you make me truly good and standing there. Little did I know. When you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy says, stay away from Julia. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you, please don't go. And I say, Romeo, take me somewhere we could be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be your princess. It's a love story. Maybe just say yes. I don't see much of Taylor Swift songs, but this is one of my favorites. Love
So
story.
you are my only favorite, bro. So beautiful you sing, no?
Thank you.
So pretty, like so nice. Popular by Weekend P, maybe.
पॉपुलर इसका तो बस इतना ही पार्ट आता है भाई ना ना पॉपुलर बस रील्स पे ही सुना है इसको एक्चुअली आई हैव टू ट्राई सॉन्ग्स बाय वीकेंड आता नहीं है मेरे को बट इट वुड बी ग्रेट टू लर्न मोर सॉन्ग्स ऑफ देम एनी अदर हिंदी सॉन्ग
Bro, Kun Faya Kun का the main part, the main version.
कुन फाया कुन
That part, no? जब कहीं पे कुछ नहीं था, वही था, वही था.
ओके यस या आई ट्यून याद है मेरे को लिरिक्स शायद okay. जब कहीं पे कुछ नहीं भी था वही था वही था वही था Fire, fire,
So pretty, bro.
yeah, miss that feeling.
Very, very, very,
Thank
very,
you.
very nice. So, all my love.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Do we have any suggestion, like one more last suggestion? ले लेंगे and then Nadanya by Akshat. Last request from me. Promise you are really doing great.
Okay.
Yeah.
कैसे तू okay. I know this. Okay. Dude, please pardon me for the lyrics. मेरे को याद नहीं गाना but okay. शामों सुबह मैं तेरी याद करूं तेरे ही ख्वाबों से मैं बात करूं तेरी अदाओं में है कैसा नशा तेरी आवाज में है कैसा सुकून तेरी बातों में तेरी सुबह मेरी ना ना से तुम गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए बुराई, छोटी मोटी बात पे मुंह फुलाए, ये नजर मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए, नादानियां नादानी, मुझे मुझे नादानी नादानियां नादानियां Thank you so much, guys.
Loved it, bro.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining
Oh,
us.
Shidaya? Yeah.
I think this is all it for today. And we have one task, last but not the least, which is very, very, very important. Abhilash, हंस मत, मैं मार दूंगी थप्पड़. मैं सीरियस हो गया बोल रही थी. He's smiling after like so
How
the
many
task.
tasks?
What?
How many tasks do we have to do?
What task did I give you? Tell me.
You asked us to draw stuff.
No, bro, that was for the session part, for fun part. This is the actual
Okay.
task by the under 25 team.
Okay.
Oh, what is okay? Don't do. Okay, it's okay, fine. So what you have to do is share your artwork and experience of this today's event as a card on the under 25 app, and you will be featured on like in our space and as well as our Instagram का post. So you have to use this one. सही बोल रही हूँ ना मैं जान? Feature होंगे ना दोनों जगह. And you have to use the hashtag that is canvas and mocktails. Remember what you have to do. You have to share your experience. You have screenshot ले लो. अभी एक screenshot होगा जिसमें will be smiling, सब हंस लेंगे. And then उसमें you can just post that as a card. And you have to put like one artwork of yours जो तुमने बनाया है. And उसके साथ साथ you have to post your experience. How was your this experience? Basically review करना है मैंने कितना बोला और मैंने कितना अच्छा बोला है. That's all. And the best artwork will be featured. Don't forget to use the canvas and mocktails वाला hashtag. And task, if you fail to do the task, then guys. कुछ नहीं, बाद में बताऊंगी. पिट्टी होगी. हाँ, वो तो होगी बट गाइस याद रखना आगे मैं हटा दूंगी सबको लिस्ट से. Jokes apart, guys, it's up to you. But I would prefer जाके do it. You'll enjoy. So yeah, that's WhatsApp link, please. Jan. ये रहा scanner. You scan this. Take a picture, screenshot कुछ भी, and then you scan it, okay? एक Instagram का है and एक is WhatsApp community. And I request अब सब कोई प्लीज अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लो, एक फोटो हो जाए. ये अभिलाष ब्रो, व्हाई आर यू लाफिंग? मैं इसके बाद ना टेक्स्ट यू कि व्हाट इज योर इशू विथ मी, यू टेल मी. वी हैव नेवर स्पोकन, वी डोंट नो ईच अदर, बट दिस गाय इज लाइक, ओह गॉड, सो स्वीट. नाइस. सबके कैमरे ऑन हो गए? कहाँ है विक्की, तुषार, शुभम? कैमरे ऑन कर ले 1 मिनट भाई. अच्छा तुषार, तू वेट कर रहा था कि मैं बोलूं बार बार, तब तू ऑन करेगा. विक्की यूजलेस इंसान, ही तो ओनली फाइट्स विथ मी. शुभम अभी भी लाइक मैं बाहर हूँ. कैमरा ऑन कर लो तुम लोग एक बार. मयंक
मेरे कैमरे में तो मेरी स्क्रीन है.
अरे तो स्क्रीन हटा दो. कितनी डम
मैं
हो.
मेरे पीसी में हूँ, मैं कैमरा है ही नहीं.
अब समझ में आ रहा होगा इसका कि साक्षी इसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड क्यों है. क्योंकि दोनों ही सेम है. तो तुम लोग कैमरा नहीं ऑन कर रहे हो ना बाकी लोग. शुभम आर यू डूइंग इट? मयंक अपनी पिक्चर लगा दे आज.
हाँ, ये कर सकता हूँ एक
हाँ देखा, टैग टैलेंट, इंटेलिजेंट हूँ यार मैं, है ना साक्षी ब्रो? Who'll take the screenshot? Jahan Patel? Of course. बोल नहीं पा रही बेचारी को, ऐसा लग रहा है बोलने से रोक दिया गया मुंह पे। साक्षी नॉट, नॉट अभी अभी नहीं, बाद में अपन रोएंगे। ठीक है चलो, अभी रेडी? मयंक आर यू लाइक डूइंग?
ढूंढ रहा हूँ।
रे भाई तू तो गजब कर रहा है।
वेट।
वो मेरी मीटिंग ब्रो, जान, यू नो आई हैव अ मीटिंग गोइंग ऑन, फेलोशिप वाला, एंड आई एम हियर, फोटो ले रही हूँ।
यू गाइस टेक फोटो, मेरे को तो टाइम लग जाएगा।
अच्छा ठीक है, तेरा ऐड कर दूंगा ऐसा।
यस यस यस।
ऑल राइट, थ्री, नहीं रुको मैं चश्मा डाल, अच्छा नहीं चाहिए। 3, 2, 1 गो। हो गया? सारे सुंदर सुंदर आए? तो मैं अंधी हूँ, मुझे दिखता नहीं है, हाँ। ठीक है गाइज, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। नेक्स्ट टाइम इससे ज्यादा अच्छा होने वाला है, होना तो ये भी अच्छा था बट इट्स ओके, इतने में ही मजा आया। तो गाइज डोंट फॉरगेट टू डू योर टास्क, और अभी अगर तेरा टास्क नहीं हुआ ना तो यू सी।
Why me?
Nice, you wait. You were the only one who was smiling throughout. I don't know out of what joy. So guys, that's all for today. अगर मीट रखनी है या फिर बातें शातें करने हैं देन वी कैन डू इट, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अभी भी रह सकते हैं। साक्षर मैं तो रहेंगे क्योंकि हम दोनों को रोना है। बाकी तुम लोग ज्वाइन इन कर सकते हो। साक्षी, न्यू लिंक आई सेंड यू, डोंट वरी। हाँ हाँ, न्यू लिंक only, of course this has to end bro, official work no, sorry. Bye guys, it
मैं
was fun. मैं लिंक भेज दूंगी अगर तुम लोग को करना है, तुम लोग को मीट इसके बाद ज्वाइन, फन सेशन कर, मतलब मस्ती मजाक नहीं करना है। साक्षी तो बेचारी, सबसे तो मैं पूछ ही नहीं रही हूँ। तू तो बोली ना। ठीक है गाइस, विल डू इट कभी बाद में, मैं भी सोच रही हूँ पढ़ लेती हूँ थोड़ा। बाय 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 गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग।